On January 26th, the Trenton Torque-Nados were proud and excited to host their second ever Girl Scout robotics workshop. Emiliana and Taryn were the team scouts who were helping with some of the stations at the event. Taryn is currently in 9th grade and a senior Girl Scout, and Emiliana is in 12th grade and is an ambassador Girl Scout. There were 18 total younger Girl Scouts in attendance, with 6 Daisy Scouts and 12 Brownie Scouts. The younger Scouts learned about simple machines and how they apply to robotics while also learning some basic coding skills, how to build a simple circuit, and even drove some sample robots down a short pathway. The Scouts were challenged to design a robot to solve a simple task. They designed robots to take a bird's nest down from a high place or to help clean up around the house. They designed prototypes of their robots. The Scouts came up with some very clever and innovative ideas. They then went in their groups and presented their ideas to their parents, troop leaders, and sister Girl Scouts. They all did an outstanding job. At the conclusion of the event, the Girl Scouts were awarded their robotics badges along with a paper to finish off one of the requirements that we weren't able to fit into our schedule. Overall, the Scouts worked very hard together with the utmost effort to earn these amazing badges.